Hey everyone, today we're going to make a super easy Chinese home stir-fry dish, 青椒肉丝. It's something that we often make at home. To start, we're going to slice some garlic, dice some ginger, and slice some green pepper. For the protein, usually we use pork loin, but you can definitely use chicken or beef. Once we slice the pork into long strips, marinate with the ingredients I have listed here, further adding some egg white and sweet potato starch. Layer with a little bit of oil. This is to keep them from sticking. Marinate for about 5 minutes. Now quickly add in the pork to cook for a minute until they are 80% done. Remove from the heat. Quickly add in the garlic, ginger, and the green peppers to stir. Finally, mix with the pre-cooked pork. Season with some salt, light soy sauce, and chicken powder as needed. There you have it. The full recipe is in my bio link under full rating recipes. Please give it a try. This dish is perfect with a bowl of rice. Thank you so much for watching. Have fun cooking. Bye bye.